stated for Maharashtra One region. On behalf of Akash, I welcome all of you. So today we are gathered here to launch of our most prestigious entrance examination called Akash National Talent Hunt Examination NK 2025. This is our 16th edition of NK examination, and through which we used to cater all the meritorious students who want to pursue MBBS courses and doing BTech from the different through JEE main examination and advanced examination, preparing for school examination and different types of Olympiad. So you will be amazed to know that last year more than 13 lakh students registered for this NK examination and more than 1 million students appeared for this examination. So this year also we have just launched this NK examination, and through which we will give the scholarship up to rupees 250 crore to all the students and rupees 2.5 crore cash awards. Apart from these scholarship and cash awards, students can check their state rank and all India rank through this examination, and they can just check whether they are lying at this point of time for their career. So students who wants to opt for JEE main, JEE advanced, and want to give NEET and want to prepare for school examination or different types of Olympiads can appear in this NK examination. Students from class 5th to class 12 can register themselves. Registration have already started with the amount of registration fee of rupees 300, but for the few days early bird scholarship has been given. The registration amount will be rupees 150 only. And at the same time, we are also launching here Invictus Space Test, which is especially designed for our JEE advanced courses, students who wants to take admission in prestigious IIT. So that examination has already been scheduled for us, and the examination date is 24th of August, 31st of August and 7th of September. Result will be published within the 1 week, and students will get 100% scholarship and cash awards for this examination also. So the NK examination duration is 1 hour, and the date range is, the examination mode will be 2 different modes, offline and online. So online examination dates are from 4th of October to 12th of October, and offline examination is scheduled for 5th of October and 12th of October. 2 dates are given. So as I have already mentioned, examination duration will be 1 hour for NK and 3 hours for Invictus test. So registration portal has already been opened, and I welcome all of students who want to do different MBBS courses or want to be an engineer or wants to crack Olympiad examination. So money will not be a barrier if they have their interest and they want to pursue. They want to go for different careers regarding MBBS and engineering. So they are most welcome, and we will provide all types of supports to them, starting from different type of study package to our star and dedicated faculties to one-on-one mentorship, providing them the exclusive test based on their requirement, and emotional and all type of supports from our sides, and that's been obvious from our results also. So I'm very happy to say this year 23 students have scored all India rank under 100 in Akash, who were student of NK and who started their journey in Akash with the NK. At the same time, 10 students in JEE section who scored all India rank under 100, and who they also started their journey in Akash with the NK examination. So NK examination is gateway to their success. So I will ask to all students who are preparing for competitive examination for NEET and JEE main, they must have to write for NK and should enroll with Akash. Thank you.